Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter voices. We have two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject does something. And in passive voice, something happens to the subject. In first, the boss hired a secretary. Boss is a subject. He's doing something means hiring a secretary. In second sentence, which is a passive one, a secretary was hired by the boss means something happens to the secretary by the boss. To change the active sentence into the passive sentence, we have to change the places of subject and the object. Here in the sentence, my friend wrote that song. My friend is in subject place, that song in the object place. To change the sentence into the passive voice, we place that song, which is the subject in subject place, and my friend in the object place. The sentence will be, that song was written by my friend. Another example, the mayor will give a speech. A speech will be given by the mayor. To change the various sentences of various tenses, active voice to passive voice, we have to change active verbs into the passive verbs. For example, in present tense, in present indefinite tense, if a sentence is, we read a book, it will change, a book is read by him. In present continuous, if a sentence is, he is reading a book, then it will change into, a book is being read by him. In present perfect tense, if a sentence is, he has read a book, it will change, a book has been read by him. In present perfect continuous, if a sentence is, he has been reading a book, it will remain as it is, no passive voice will be deputed over here. In simple past, if a sentence is, he read a book, it will change into, a book was read by him. In past continuous, if a sentence is, he was reading a book, it will change into, a book was being read by him. In past perfect tense, if a sentence is, he had read the book, the passive sentence will be, a book had been read by him. No passive sentence will be done in any perfect continuous tenses. Same as in the future tense, if the active sentence is, he will read a book, the passive will be, a book will be read by him. In future continuous tense, if a sentence is, he will be reading a book, no passive will be made. In future perfect tense, if a sentence will be, he will have read a book, the sentence change into the passive voice, a book will have been read by him. In future perfect continuous, if the sentence is, he will have been reading a book, no passive will made. While changing active voice to passive voice, we have to change subject case to the object case. I will change by me. We will change by us. You will be changed by you and he will change by him. She will change by her and it remain as it is by it. They will change by them. There are certain changes also made in the modal auxiliaries. If the active voice sentence in modal auxiliaries, modal plus first form of the verb will change into modal plus be plus third form of the verb. For example, she can help you. You can be helped by her. May I use your pen? May your pen be used by me? Question mark. Next, you should not violate the rules. The rules should not be violated by us. There are some examples by which you can able to understand the various type of sentences, how they change from active to passive voice. He has missed the train. The train has been missed by him. Now interrogative sentence. Do they speak French? Is the French spoken by them? Was he reading a book? Was a book being read by him? Now the command sentence. Compose this letter. Let this letter be composed. Now W question with WH words. Where did you buy this pen from? From where was this pen bought by you? Who wrote this speech? By who was this speech written? Here is assignment 1, in which some sentences are given and you have to fill the passive verbs in these sentences. In assignment 2, there are the mixed sentences which you have to change into the passive voice. I think if you do this assignment, you will find yourself comfortable with the chapter. Thank you.